Today we're looking at a 2015 Honda Civic LX. It's got 26,000 miles on it. It is a certified Honda. It's got a clean Carfax and a one owner. It's black metallic in color. We'll go ahead and give you the walk around. Start over here on the driver's side. Everything looks really good there. It is equipped with the backup camera. Exterior of the vehicle is in really good shape. 26,000 miles on it. It is a certified 2015. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Power locks, power windows. Gray cloth seating. Driver's seat looks like it's in great shape. Key fob. Passenger seat looks like it's in good shape as well. Alright, it is an automatic. It's got your auxiliary and power outlet down there. Climate control area, AM FM CD player. It's also got steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. We'll go ahead and check out the mileage. It's got 26,517 miles. Go ahead and show you the AM FM CD again now that we've got the car started. Alright. Everything's in really good shape. Go ahead and engage the backup camera for you. Alright, we've had the AC going now for about 10 minutes. Everything blowing cold with the air conditioner. No problem there. Alright, let's go ahead and hop in the back, take a look there. Cloth is in good shape back here in the back seat. No problems at all. The carpet looks good, no staining in the carpet. Go ahead and kind of give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's take a look at your trunk space and storage. Everything nice and clean back here. I'll go ahead and step to the side to give you some depth, just how deep that storage is. Alright, everything's nice and clean, plenty of room. Let's go ahead and check out the wheels and tires. 15-inch steel wheels. The nice plastic hubcaps on there. Brand new set of Firestones. Alright, once again, just to recap, it's a 2015 Honda Civic LX. It's a certified unit. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, it's got 26,000 miles on it. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.